Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a click counter in Geometry Dash. Of course, I'm going to remove all of these triggers and let's start from scratch. The first thing that you want to do is to add a touch trigger onto your level. And then you also want to add a pick up trigger. From there, we also want to add our last trigger, which is going to be the count trigger, or the number itself, which is going to be this one. Of course, you can add multiple triggers like the count trigger if you want to apply this to your level. But to make things simple, let's just create the click trigger. From here, let's deselect these options, and then the first thing that you want to add it is going to be the number right here. So let's click on the added object or the added special, make this item number 1, and then you want to group this into number 1 also. Click on add, click on OK. Now let's navigate through our pickup trigger, click added object, and the item ID for our countdown is going to be 1. And since we want to +1 each click, you then want to select count 1 right here. Select the spawn trigger, click on multi-trigger, and then click OK. Now for our last trigger, which is the touch trigger, you then want to select the added objects. In here, we then want to target our second group since the first group is taken. And then you just want to make sure that the toggle on is enabled. Now, as a last check, you want to add your pickup trigger to group 2. Click on add and click on OK. And so if we play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this. Once again, you can then customize this if you want to add countdown or your levels. Maybe you want to do something like where you need to click at least 15 times in order for the door to open. You can just simply do that on your level editor. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.